Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how I make this healthy homemade granola. It's so yummy and you would want to try it. For the ingredients, I use some old-fashioned oats, some instant oats, I use some shredded coconut that are really amazing when they are toasted, almond and cashew nuts. Cashew nuts are my favorites, you guys. I also use some cranberries and raisins, some flax seeds, raw honey, 1 egg, brown sugar for sweetness, and some olive oil. Let's get started. So you can see my old-fashioned oats and my instant oats. Next, I'm going to add some salt. I forgot to mention that. Half of a teaspoon of salt will do, just to make sure that your granola is not tasting bland. Next, I added some brown sugar, and this is for sweetness. Then the shredded coconut. These taste amazing when they're toasted. Add your nuts, whatever nuts you prefer. I use some almonds and cashew nuts. And then I added the flax seeds. You guys, flax seeds are considered superfoods and they contain anti-inflammatory fatty acids. They're known to help improve digestion, give you clearer skin, reduce your sugar cravings, yay to that, balance your hormones, and help fight cancer. Flax seeds can also be used to make gel. If you guys want to see how, just ask me in the comment section. Add the raisins and dried cranberries and we're ready to mix. We're going to mix this all together until they're well combined before adding the wet ingredients. You can decide to make a syrup out of the ingredients before adding it, but I just go ahead and add them directly. I added some oil, and then I added 2 tablespoons of raw honey, and then the egg whites from the 1 egg I showed you earlier. The proteins in the egg whites binds the granola mix into chunks and clumps. To mix this all together, I would use my hands, and yes, I just washed them. I'll use wet hands until it's well combined. Next, I'll take a baking sheet and just put parchment paper, or if you have anything that's non-stick, put it there, and then lay your granola evenly. Next, I'm going to go in with clean wet hands to just pinch the granola randomly, and I'm just helping it to make some chunks here and there. Preheat your oven at 350 and set this in for 10 minutes. Here it is after 10 minutes, nice and golden brown on the bottom. You want to try and flip it over as much as you can. I just took a wooden spatula and tried to move things around there to see how much I could flip over. And then you put it back in your oven for another 10 minutes and your granola should be ready. You guys, look at that. It smells amazing. I think maybe because of the coconut and just everything in there, just amazing. You can have this by itself as a snack, or you can have it as cereal with some milk, or you can also have it with some yogurt. One thing I like about homemade stuff is that you know exactly what you put in there and you know exactly what's going into your system. That's all on today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.